Hi there, it's Dee from Digital Art with Dee. Welcome back. Let's jump right in. So what is a PSD file? A PSD file is a Photoshop file that contains all the layers and data or information of your project or piece of work so that you can go back into this at any time and change things. You can add more layers or delete layers. There's a whole lot of editing you can do. PSD files are therefore quite large because they do save all the layers. But as you can see here, they are all your layers are visible, and you can edit them. If you want to save your work as a PSD file, then go to Save As to the drop-down menu, and you have your various choices: TIFF file, PSD file, JPEG, etc. So you choose PSD and click Save, and that would keep all your layers so that you could reopen this file and edit again. As you can see, if you save as a JPEG, you end up with one layer. So you cannot edit any of the layers anymore. It's merged it into one layer. So what you could do here is still change maybe the lightness or the saturation, but you couldn't edit any of your layers. They've all been merged into one layer. So that's if you save as a JPEG. So here are the three examples. That's a JPEG file. It's about 22 megabytes. They can be smaller, obviously. It depends on what quality you save it as. And then the next one next to it is a PSD file. And you can see the icon for a PSD file. And they're large. That's 1 gigabyte. And the last one here is a TIFF file. So that's also a gigabyte. Same as a PSD file, but you can actually see what the image is about. Whereas with a PSD file, you just see the icon. So personally, I save my files as TIFF files because they still have all the layers, unlike a JPEG. So like a PSD, they can be edited. You'll see here, this is a TIFF file. If we open it up in Photoshop, you're back with all your layers as with a PSD file. It's just loading it. There you go. So you've got all your layers, and you can, as I say, edit like a PSD file. So a PSD file is a Photoshop file with all your layers, but it just shows the PSD icon. Whereas a TIFF file, the icon of the actual picture shows, and that's why I prefer that. But I hope this has helped you in knowing actually what a PSD file is, and please subscribe to my channel for more of this kind of content. Thank you.